Hi everybody, could you use some good news? Well, let's start with this. A team of scientists has developed a way of stopping HIV from replicating itself. Researchers from several Spanish universities, led by a professor from Universidad Católica de Valencia San Vicente Mártir, have worked together to create a synthetic molecule that binds with the RNA of the human immunodeficiency virus, preventing it from spreading its genetic material beyond the nucleus of the cell it has currently infected, halting the infection in its tracks. This is just the latest in a series of very encouraging recent developments in the area of HIV/AIDS treatment. Vaccines are being developed, as are more effective antivirals and immunotherapies, all of which could lead to a dramatic reduction in the rate of HIV infection within the lifetimes of most people watching this video, and an improved prognosis and quality of life for those currently living with the virus. Next up, scientists at Columbia University Medical Center have succeeded in transforming human stem cells into lung cells for the first time. It seems like every few weeks there's another first related to stem cells, and it's easy to lose sight of the importance of these breakthroughs when they come so rapidly. The ability to make lung cells from stem cells is especially notable because lungs are notoriously difficult organs to transplant. Being able to generate new, healthy tissue from one's own cells could mean a new lease on life for patients suffering from debilitating and often fatal conditions such as pulmonary fibrosis, a disease the researchers at CUMC now intend to study using lung tissue grown from stem cells using this technique. And finally, a few months ago it was the toast of the solar system, and now it looks like it's just plain toast. Comet ISON did not survive its flyby of the sun. After its discovery last year, ISON looked like it was going to be the astronomical event of this year. By now it was supposed to be one of the most spectacular objects in the night sky. Things didn't work out that way. ISON went from comet of the century to the little comet that could. So why the hell is this good news? Well, I'll tell you. Sure, ISON didn't live up to the hype. I contributed to in my own small way with a few stories about ISON in this series over the last few months. But it did provide astronomers with an almost unprecedented opportunity to study a comet as it approached the sun. ISON was imaged by a whole series of spacecraft, including SWIFT, Deep Impact, the Stereo Solar Observers, the Spitzer Space Telescope, and the Hubble Space Telescope. The data and images captured by those spacecraft and others, as well as the Earth-based telescopes and countless amateur astronomers who observed and photographed ISON as it approached the sun, have all contributed to our understanding of comets, our knowledge of what they are and what they do, and our appreciation for their mystery and beauty. And how can that be anything other than good news? Researchers find a way to stop the AIDS virus from replicating itself. Scientists generate lung cells from stem cells, and Comet ISON may be gone, but it won't soon be forgotten. And it did give a hell of a show if you knew where to look. That's the good news. Scream all you want, ain't nobody gonna hear you. Yes.